What's up guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video guys I'm gonna show you how to increase the volume limit on your Samsung Galaxy phone. As a matter of fact, this strategy that I'm gonna show you is going to double the volume limit on your phone. How amazing is that? Now if you'll find this useful guys, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Joe Tutorial. To go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Now let's jump in. Do a swipe up on your phone guys and tap on settings. If you're not able to find settings, use a search at the top and simple type in settings and you will find it. You can open it there. Then scroll down a bit and you will find sounds and vibration. Tap on that. From here, you will find volume in the option there. Tap on volume, guys. And from here, you will see your volume levels at the moment. But if you click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, it says media volume limit. So if you tap on that, you will get the option here, guys, to turn on your media volume limit. And from here, you see that you can increase the volume of your phone. So this is almost double, guys. So you can go ahead and toggle it all the way up to maximum, and you will double your volume limits. Now when you're playing music or whatever you're playing from your phone, can you imagine how loud and sweet that will be? Really amazing, right? So guys, if you find this useful, go ahead and give this video a like, and if you're still on the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And also let me know in the comments below what you think about this strategy, and of course if you find value within this video, go ahead, let me know in the comments below as well. Thank you very much and see you next time.